Right, morning guys. We're out on the Regent's Canal, Cambridge Heath area. We've got Shane with us and one of his guys.
Got my first one.
And
Big Rambo.
Brian's coming as well. See how we do. Let's see what we find. Cheers guys.
Bike light.
Weedy.
Sounds like you, John.
What? Weedy.
Right guys, we've got a piece of an acro. And a chav canister.
Bit of metal tube. Metal bar.
Got a bike lock. We've got a cash box, guys. I think we've got to put you down a bit. That's it. We've got a cash box. Nothing inside.
Camera battery. A pole.
Pair of pliers. Looks like an old car headlights around. Piece of metal. Piece of metal piping.
Metal bar. Mini Dumbo. Piece of metal. Bit of off a strimmer. Piece of metal. Washer.
Right, we pulled out a gun. Air gun. Can go.
Sure, Shane. It's Shane's having to lay down. What have you done, Shane?
Done a John boy.
You done a John boy?
Yeah.
Right, the little loop has had to come out. We used it for Shane to get him unstuck.
A fishing rod. And I don't know, probably a spinner.
Woo! Metal plate. Parts of the drawer. Right guys, bit of an office chair. Piece of metal with some like contacts on it. Right, I pulled out a shovel.
Bit of plastic drain pipe. A bit of drain copper.
We have a ABS bike lock. It's not been cut, so someone didn't have it on their bike. It's a very good lock.
8 live shotgun shells.
Why am I getting injured?
There's 8 of them.
Big lump of what's whole dustbin. Plate for scaffolding.
A little metal shovel. Kids one. Loads of metal bars. More bars. Bit of barbecue.
Got some kitchen tools, fork, and an old lorry wheel brace.
It ain't made for one. They got it off.
I always get it off. We've got a car tyre.
Kitchen knife.
We've got a road sign.
Pen knife.
A metal bar. And scaffold tube. Scaffold clamp.
A badminton racket.
Right, we've got a hook. I think it's part out of a scaffold clamp of some kind. Looks like it's an old fan. Right fitting.
They've got some big things out, look.
Oh wow, look at the little safe box.
You want the card on there?
Did you guys get all that out?
Yeah. And there's one down there.
Take one of the cards in that little box on there.
Oh yeah, can we check it out on YouTube?
What we find.
Now I'm even on
It'll smile
TV.
nicely. You can be on time.
That's the
A bit of bar.
Piece of cast iron drain pipe. Right guys, we're gonna call the police to come and collect these shotgun shells. We've got 9 now.
We're following you.
We have a road pin, metal tube, piece of metal roofing,
Bit of shelving. A mobile phone charging lead or a laptop lead. Key-lock.
A plate for a bit of scaffolding. Scaffolding clip and an old bit of scaffolding.
Have a shotgun shell.
Right, that's the knife up there. And the ammunition's in there, but I'll put some the knife is that's just the one that was put in there to clean stuff.
Oh, that's the one, is it?
Yeah, he wants to clean. He wants to keep that one. 'Cause he's allowed that one, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Well, no, because some you could not either because of the sizes. And
Yeah.
No, we like to do it legal. There was 8 in one bag together, and then the others we found separately.
One of the guys we know found a police utility belt fully equipped.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Imagine, wouldn't
who's dropped one of them in there?
it? Yeah. I told him throw the magnet back in, you might find a police officer.
Oh God, don't say that. Imagine.
Well, we have had someone found the body.
With the informant and shown us these objects, they are shotgun shells and they are alive.
He's got to do his Instagram pictures.
Yeah, what they've done before is they've just had evidence tubes and then just got a little few plastic bags and just wrapped them each individually and put them in the tube.
Yeah, we'll wrap it
Yeah,
up.
but that could be wrong.
No, but that's what they've done. Well, they've done it twice before.
Yeah, we don't know. Because sometimes they get a bit iffy. If they're live, they can still technically go off.
Oh yeah, I know, yeah.
I mean, I've held shotguns. I've shot shotguns before, and I've been
They won't go off though.
I don't know. They might do. You
Well,
never know.
I suppose it ain't your job to make a call, is it?
I don't want to be the one. I don't want to be the idiot that puts him in a thing and all suddenly they go bang, and then I'm
Close
fucked.
the back doors off his car.
Yeah, I don't want to be.
whole
I
car,
don't
totally
want to
back
be. I don't want to be the one person that happens to.
Yeah.
This job is this job. I don't want to be the one person where it randomly goes off and back on.
Nice mate.
The thing is, if you don't put it on there, right, people say, well, "What did you do?"
Yeah,
with them?"
what do you actually
No,
do?
they
Yeah.
do. That's what they do. They like you get the idiots like, well, "What did you do with them?"
I just blow people up. I'll give them to the local
I remember the stories.
They do.
What are you looking for? I said, we've had reports that there's a Russian sub in the canal, we're just trying to intercept it.
Just waiting for our other chaps to come down.
Oh, you get the ballistics team next.
No. They're
That's what we normally get. If we have anything big.
and to be fair, I mean, they're going to speak to our skipper to say, look, they are shotgun shells. They do have to just be gotten off. Do we need a bag or not? If not, I'm
Well,
just going to give it to them.
I can deactivate them for you.
No, they can't. We've got to leave them.
So
the bag that they were in, where is that?
It's just like a white carrier bag. It was. Usually they're in socks or things like that. Or
Normally, yeah.
I don't really. I just want to find. I'd rather find a pile of scrap.
I know they call
Honestly.
More money for you, isn't it?
Well, no, we don't make the money.
No, do
No,
they?
what we do is
probably
we
a set running back.
we just do it with.
Yeah, I'll pull that.
Like we've got a strapman that comes,
Yeah.
and then he just takes it all away, and he makes the money on it. We don't. We just do it as a hobby. Here, take it, and then get rid of it. Today we're putting it down today.
Yeah.
So we'll be cleared up and gone by when we go.
Nice day for it as well.
Yeah, it is today.
Yeah, look,
Go have a go if you want.
Yeah, should have bought my kayak.
See when the others get it.
I'm dead.
You might get a
I'll end up falling in the river or something.
Alright guys.
No, so they weren't a bag in it.
So they were in a bag. The bag.
It's in the bottom of that bucket there.
It's in the bottom of here if you want it.
Nah, that's alright.
we're going to take them.
Oh, yeah, obviously,
But,
yeah.
exactly. No, you just look after them. We're going to take them. We see time for me to get a ballistic bag down here.
What they've done before is they've just used and then just wrapped them all in plastic bags individually and then packed them in.
Yeah,
That's like doing normal with
they're very shit on policy. We're just going to chuck them in the bag.
Well, you're not going to put me in a tube then? That's what I'm
What?
We've actually been told on the phone to just take them to the police station.
Yeah, I ain't taking
We've been told, yeah, we've done that. We've probably done that.
I can't do that, can I? Not being funny. Hang on, let's take them on the underground, shall we?
The phone said it is actually okay to take them to the police station. It's 24 hours.
Yeah, but I'm not taking them on the underground, am I? That can happen.
Yeah, but the thing is, as soon as you put it in your bag, you're concealing it. So that's a crime.
It depends what your purpose is.
Without lawful excuse. If it was all go wrong,
Oh,
you know what I mean?
yeah.
Like you're,
Oh, yeah, that's right,
exactly.
yeah.
You're transporting them in your own car.
That's right.
But the thing is, if you ring the police station first and tell them you're doing that,
Yeah.
then you're going to be arrested.
Yeah.
Don't subscribe though, because the guy's channel this is standing right behind you. You're welcome.
Right, we're done, yeah?
Yeah. Cheers, guys. Thank you for
Thanks
that.
very much for the call. If you get anything else, give us a shout, alright?
No problem.
Alright,
Is that it?
that's a lot, mate. We're going to go.
I can't believe it's 4 of you.
Cheers. See you later.
Alright, guys. Cheers. Yeah. Right, that's it, guys. They're all gone now. Police took it all away.
Still here.
Yeah. They ain't moved us. Yee-hee.
Umbrella.
Stop. No.
Umbrella.
We've got a scaffer clip. We've got a fan. Right guys, we've got a piece of metal. We've got a leg of a table, or a little tiny thing. We've got a Union Jack lighter.
Who is it? Where's it gone? You're filming us, I'm filming you. Right, that's enough of that.
Cleaning up time. Right guys, that's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.